In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see overlapping layers in Canva. If you've ever tried to select one small icon that's sitting under a photo or a text box that's covered by a shape, you know how frustrating overlapping elements can be. Canva's Layers tools make this quick and precise, and I'll walk you through exactly how to use them. Start by opening the project you want to work on in the Canva editor. Make sure you're on the design canvas and not inside a text field, so your keyboard shortcuts will register properly. Now, press Alt+1 on your keyboard. This opens the Layers tab, which is where Canva lists the elements on your page. You'll see a panel that organizes your items, often grouped by frames, texts, shapes, and images, which helps you understand what's sitting on top of what. Inside that panel, look for the Overlapping tab and click it. This tab is specifically designed to help you sort out elements that are stacked on top of each other. It's especially helpful in complex layouts where dragging on the canvas keeps grabbing the wrong item or when invisible elements like transparent shapes are in the way. With the Overlapping tab active, click any element on your canvas, the photo, the shape, the text, whatever you're trying to work with. As soon as you click it, the panel will update to show every element that overlaps that selection. Think of it as a filtered list. Only the items sharing the same space are shown, so you don't have to scan through your entire page. From there, you can click directly on the item you want in the panel to target it precisely, even if it's completely hidden underneath another layer. This is a great way to avoid accidentally nudging your layout or dragging the wrong element. It also helps you quickly diagnose why something won't select or why a click keeps grabbing the wrong layer. If you're using grouped elements, the panel will respect those groups, and if any element is locked, you'll still see it in the list, so you can understand what's sitting in the stack. A couple of quick notes for smoother navigation. If the shortcut doesn't respond, tap Escape to make sure you're not editing text, then try again. Keyboard layouts can differ, so on some systems you might see a slightly different modifier key, but the Layers tab is the destination you're after. And that's it. Open your project, press Alt+1 to open Layers, click the Overlapping tab, and then select your element to instantly see everything stacked with it.